Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the TERENCE piano keyboard with 88 keys. This isn't just any digital piano. Its standout feature is that it folds right in half, making it incredibly portable and easy to store, which is a huge plus, especially for beginners or anyone with limited space. When it's folded up, it measures just 24.8 by 7.9 by 4.7 inches, so you can easily tuck it away or take it with you. They've even designed the connection buckle to be wider, and the port faces upwards for better stability when it's closed. A cool feature is the dual keyboard function, which lets you split the piano into two sections, perfect for a teacher and student to play together on the same instrument. Now let's talk about the sound. TERENCE says this X88D version has upgraded sound quality compared to older models, with two built-in 5W speakers that aim to produce a more realistic and richer tone. They've also included a standard 1/4-inch sustain pedal input, which they mention provides more stable audio input and output, faster response, and contributes to a better overall sound quality when using sustain. In terms of features, this folding piano is packed. It comes with 128 different tones, 128 rhythms, and 21 demo songs to explore. There's an LCD display and a knob button, which makes navigating through all those options pretty straightforward. It also has practical functions like a sleep mode, a chords function, the sustain pedal input we mentioned, a stereo earphone output for practicing quietly, and stereo outputs so you can connect it to a recorder, mixer, amplifier. They even include a 6.35mm audio cable and earphones in the box. It seems fully equipped to handle various playing and learning needs. The keys themselves are 88 full-sized, semi-weighted keys. They're crafted to a 1-to-1 ratio compared to a traditional piano, aiming to provide a comfortable feel and a similar depth when pressed. The semi-weighted action means the volume changes depending on how hard you play, adding a layer of expressiveness that's important for developing technique. The piano is made from durable ABS material, designed to keep its high-gloss finish over time. Connectivity is another strong point. This TERENCE folding piano supports Bluetooth, allowing you to pair it with your phone or tablet. This opens up possibilities for using learning apps like GarageBand, Perfect Piano, and Pop Piano, or connecting to other online music lessons, making practice more interactive and fun. It also has a MIDI USB interface, so you can connect it directly to your PC or tablet for music arrangement or accompaniment purposes, although you'll need to supply your own computer cable for that. Overall, for a beginner-focused, portable instrument, it seems to offer a solid set of features and decent build quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.